Good morning, this is the ExactTrades.com Movers Report for August 31st, 2011. First we're taking a look at VRA. You can see we're gapping up here this morning. Going to open around 33, possibly down to 32.50 or 33.50. So in this range I expect us to open. I'm going to look to short this back into this gap. You can see here our support's going to be around 31.40. So look for some selling on the open. Watch it break to a new low. Take it short. You could start with a half position. Watch for a bounce, see if you get a break of the new high of the day. If it fails, doesn't stop you out, or sets a lower high, get your second half and then see if it'll set a new low of the day or a lower low. Take your 1% profit target from your average entry, so it's going to be about 32 cents. Move down your stop at that point and then look for another 32 cents from that point as your second profit target. I would trail it down and watch for support around 32. And then this 31.50. So going to be trading this to the short side today. Kind of an exhaustive gap since the move up. Next we have ZIP, ZIP, gapping up here. Right now we're around 22.25. Could open 22.50 or down to 22. Going to look to take this short into the gap, very similar to the VRA trade. You can see support here is going to be at 20.50. So we should get some selling and some profit taking. Break it down below 22. First profit target is going to be about 22 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 44 cents from your entry. Watch this 21.50 and 21 for possible support levels. And I would just take profit and trail down into this. Could actually see this 20.50 if we get some selling in the market. But just be patient. Make sure to take your profits and move down your stop. Next we have OKE. Last print showing at 79.50. So right there. Could open up in this area. I wouldn't probably take it if it opened below 77. So that's just for me. If it opens below 77, I'd probably pass on it or trade a very small position. So I want it to open over 77. We're going to look to short back into this gap. 78 and 77 could be possible support levels if it opens above that. So watch for those. First profit target is going to be about 78 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $1.50 from your entry. Also watch 75 if you break down below 77 and 76. Could have some support there. Price support is going to be about 71.50. So depending on what we get in the market, it could trail down into that low. I think we're going to probably find some support here between 75, maybe even 74 as the final exit. Next we have JOYG, Joy G. You can see here we're gapping up about 86 pre-market, breaking over this resistance level from previous day's session. We're going to look to take this long on the open. Look for strong volume and a push up to a new high of the day. Take it long. I would start with a half position, wait for a pullback and see if it can hold that high of the day or hold that support level. See if you get a bounce, add your second half, and then a push through to the new high. First profit target is going to be about 86 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about $1.70 from your entry. So those two spots look to take off a half and a quarter, and then I would show the last quarter. See if you can come up into this $90 range right here. Now we're looking at FRO, FRO. You can see this resistance level here, 70.85 approximately. We're gapping up over that this morning. Going to open up over 8 possibly. We're going to look to take this long on the open with higher highs and some strong volume. So look for that strong volume on the open. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes. Take it long. You don't have to get your full position at first. Be patient. See if it'll give a pullback. Look for that higher low bounce, add to the position, and see if it'll push through to the new high of the day. Also keep your eye on the market. Make sure that we're not turning over or breaking down through support when you're trying to take this long on the breakout. It might save you from getting into a bad spot. First profit target is going to be about 8 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be about 16 cents from your entry. And then I would trail a stop up into this 850 area right there. Next up we have GCO opening around 50.50. Currently trading around 50.50. We'll see where it opens. Could open, 50.70, maybe even down close to this 50 mark. I'm fine as long as we open over 50, 50.15 area. Look for a move up off the open. Take it long. You're looking for about 50 cents as your first target and about $1 for your second target. Trail a stop on the last small piece of the position. See if you can get up past this 51 mark, 51.50, and then possibly 52. I think 52 is going to be on the far end range of that long. I think we're more likely to see 51, possibly 51.50. Now lastly we have JOSB gapping up here, 49.80 about, 49.75 is the last print. Looking take this long on the open. Could open up down here. I'm looking for anything to open over 48. So make sure it opens over 48. Look to take it long with strong volume and a move up off the open. If it sells off on the open, that's fine. Just set an alert at the open or the high of the day and then see if it'll bounce back up maybe later on. Take that new high. First profit target is going to be about 49 cents from your entry. Second profit target is going to be 98 cents from your entry. And then I would trail a stop up. Going to see some resistance at 50, so watch for that. Obviously 51 and 52 are going to be two areas to watch as well. So we're breaking out, but I think there's still good money in this trade. Probably going to get maybe 2 to 3% if we get a good run on it. So those are the trades for today. Good luck to everyone, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.